Hi, Grandma Bev from Life with Grandma Bev. And today is day number 8 of the cruise. So we're really getting close to the last day. This is Saturday. And today I just wore this plain shirt, navy shirt. But look at the sleeves. Isn't it pretty? It's all sparkly and shiny on each sleeve. This is a Quacker Factory. Now, I've had this for about 2 years because I bought it several years ago when we first started trying to do a Caribbean cruise. So, finally get to wear it, but I think I bought it. It's really kind of big because I was bigger when I bought it. Anyway. Paired with it, I have another pair of my white shorts. So I'm not going to stand up and show you that. I mean, we're getting to the point now where you're going to start seeing duplicates probably. But for tonight, I am going to dress differently because it is formal night. Now, we don't do formal, but I dress up a little bit more than this. So I'll be doing that, showing you what I'm going to wear. Now, let's see, yesterday, like I said, we went to the Sloth Sanctuary, which there will be a video coming. I still owe you a video on the canal. The canal one seems like it's just kind of drawn out long. I've started editing it, so I'm trying to decide what to do with it. Excuse me. So other than that, last night, we did our usual. We went up for a couple of pre-dinner drinks and then went to the restaurant, and they finally had Italian night. I got my spaghetti. That's my favorite. So I finally got my spaghetti. Then we went back into the Explorers Lounge and listened to that group that we love so much from Barbados. And from there, they had another trivia game. No, this one was a bingo one last night, but it wasn't regular bingo. It was dealing with music. So you had to listen to music and then find it on your thing. It's hard to explain, but we didn't win. And last night was actually my first night that I took a leave PM because I was sore. When we went into the sloth place, you had to stand for a long time while they explained about this. In this one room, while they explained about some of them, they're so cute. Very, that's the reason why I call it my spirit animal. So we went to 2 different rooms, and I got to tell you what happened. I mean, it was hot and humid in those rooms. So they split the group up to, I think we had about 16 passengers on the bus or less. So they split us up into 2 groups. And in our group was all of us old folks, basically, and one younger couple, 2 people, and I've seen this couple on board a few other times, and she's always dressed up so perfectly, little slim little person, all total makeup, just looks so cute, So towards the end of the second room that we were in, that was also hot. Now, mind you, these are all seniors in here except for these 2 youngsters. Well, I bet we're probably in their 30s, okay? So all of a sudden, she's heading to the door to go out in the other area, probably use the restroom. I don't know, but all of a sudden, she's flat on the ground. She passed out. She fainted, heat stroke or something. And of course, leave it to Bob. You'd think with all these seniors in here, it wouldn't be the youngest person that faints. The one that's probably in the best physical shape, right? Poor thing. She had to have been so embarrassed. Of course, she wanted to get it right away. Now, the guy that was with her, she goes down, all of a sudden you hear him saying, "Oh, shit." I don't think they were married. Neither one had rings on. So, they're probably on a nice little trip together. So she had to be horrified. So then from that point, they took us onto a little rowboat. And there were 6 of us in our boat. And of course, Bob and I are tall, and we've got long legs, and there wasn't much room for the legs. I thought the boat tour would never end because We were sitting on this hard little bench, no back to it, and no room really for our legs. We were both starting to get Charlie horses, and you couldn't straighten your leg out and fix it. You want to rock the boat. But I'll talk more about this when I do the sloth video. So last night, my hips and legs are really achy. So I thought, okay, this is the night to leave PM, settle in bed, and I woke up this morning feeling fine. So that was yesterday. Now today it's another day at sea. And this morning we were on the sun side. Oh, that water's beautiful. When we come back, up after going upstairs and fiddling around and eating lunch and whatever else we do up there, I want to get a video with that in the background. Well, guess what? The gray clouds have moved in and it's raining out there a little bit. So I had set up out there to do it, and no, I'm not going to sit out there in the rain and do it. Sorry, folks. But this is the first time we've seen any rain. So we can't complain, and it wasn't on the forecast, so don't know what happened. But anyway, tomorrow we will be in Jamaica. We're going to Falmouth, Falmouth. I think of it as foul mouth. Oh, perfect place for me. But we'll be doing about the same thing we did when we went to Turks and Caicos. We're just going to go hang around at the place that the cruise ships have built. The souvenir shops. I hope they have more shops than they did at Turks. But I think Jamaica's a little more active. So we'll see. And then our plan, of course, is to go back to Margaritaville and have lunch. I'll just make sure that I don't do something that's going to get me copyrighted. That's what happened. That video that I did for you when we went to Turks, I got a copyright infringement. But the music was playing, in the background. We're walking around. So what do? If I've removed that, it removes my voice and everything. And you want to hear me. So I'll have to share my big bucks from it with the singers, which is okay. So that'll do it for today. But I'll be back tonight, later this afternoon to show you what I end up wearing. But it'll be different than what I've been wearing. So let's do our comment down below here and share, like, subscribe. And I hope you're all having a good week wherever you're at. You've all been commenting very nice things, and I really appreciate it. I read them all. I love you all. Bye. Bye. Goodbye. They won't shut up. Goodbye. 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 Nope. Hi, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And it's the evening time. Not dark yet, but getting ready to go to dinner. So I want to show you what I ended up wearing. This is a nice, light, flimsy, pretty top. And I've got kind of a turquoise. Let's get you closer. A turquoise top, slinky, underneath it. And then I'm also wearing a pair of dark navy, you guessed it, Susan Graver pants. So this is liquid knit, and the bottoms are liquid knit, and this is something else. So let me move you up to the top there and see if it'll work, and we'll show you the whole outfit. Okay, now I'll back up here so that you can see, make a few adjustments. So this is as dressed up as I'm going to get on formal night. So I hope you like the outfit. Let me know what you think. You know what to do with the comments. Make them nice. I love you all. Bye.